आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू बी हियर। मुझे इनके कपड़े बहुत पसंद हैं, जैसे रेनबो होता है ना, तो when you wear their clothes I feel like it feels like you're wearing the rainbow, and I love their collection. The collection name is Tamasha.
Yeah.
And I think who better than actors to call to them studios, क्योंकि actors तो तमाशा ही है ना सब films में. So I think that's why I'm here to support them. And also इस साड़ी का नाम मुझे थोड़ी देर पहले ही पता चला. मुझे लगा बहुत सुंदर साड़ी है, कितनी प्यारी है, पर इस साड़ी का नाम है चकाचक. So I was really happy कि I'm wearing a चकाचक साड़ी, and because I love their clothes, so I'm here.
So Vamika in our language is Hamari Premika. So we really want to incorporate that essence, the joy, the fun and the youngness whichever she has with our clothes. It's very well. So we truly think and know that she's the perfect muse for this collection.
What's Pernia offering for the women? Like what are the collections like?
There's everything for every age group.
Yeah, I'm तो really excited to see इन सबके इनके सारे कपड़े, because I think there's so much to discover. That's why I want people to come और अच्छा सा टाइम निकाल कर, because I feel like once you enter you will definitely be in the store for some time, because I think they have a very colorful, beautiful collection. And मैं तो I was pairing up my कि मैं what should I do? Should I wear jewelry? Everything I was wearing, I'm like, but the hero is this sari. It's so pretty that I didn't want to wear
She's just so
anything.
sweet, guys.
I really didn't want to wear anything, just the sari and like a flower. So
Just
I
like
love
you. Absolutely stunning.
Okay.
Kind of retro ऐसा लग रहा है.
You know, I feel आज के ज़माने में there's nothing retro and there's nothing modern.
It's just
because,
what you love and how you present yourself.
and also all the fashion है ना, या art आप कह लो, it can never become old.
Yes.
It can never. It's always little recreating, and I feel like so many styles have come back.
True, absolutely.
You know.
Absolutely.
And I think these kind of saris where it's so colorful and it's, you can see it's not just a sari, it's a piece of art. Like kitna kuch, all these artists coming out together, you should know he and his wife are doctors. Doctors, मतलब सिर्फ ये नहीं छोड़ दिया है, they are still doctors and they run this. So as an artist I feel कैसे art really finds you.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
पकड़ लेती है आपको कि नहीं तुम जो भी कर रहे हो ठीक है, लेकिन
ये भी
you are an
करना है,
artist. Yeah.
absolutely.
So yeah.
क्या कुछ नहीं इसके अलावा आपके प्रोजेक्ट से या सारे स्टाइल में
No, it's हम हमारा ब्रांड दिल्ली से है and we are showcasing with Pernia in a collaboration in Bombay. The entire collection is available in Bombay only at Pernia's pop-up shop.
पब्लिक को क्या मैसेज रहेगा? ऑनलाइन भी अवेलेबल है कि
हाँ हाँ ऑनलाइन भी अवेलेबल है और यहाँ पर बॉम्बे में सिर्फ यहीं पर अवेलेबल है इन्हीं के स्टोर पर.
बोलिए क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके आ रहे हैं इस बारे में बताएं.
Sorry?
Yes.
प्रोजेक्ट्स फिल्म प्रोजेक्ट
Baby John is coming
Yes, Baby John is coming.
and there's one more coming.
There are too many.
But we're excited. Baby John, it's 25th December the release, right?
So when I was supposed to come to this store, because Baby John is releasing and it was all that's the only thing that's on my mind, and they sent me their clothes and I wanted to wear a sari, because in Baby John also either I'm doing action or I'm wearing a sari.
Ooh,
So I
lovely,
was really
excited.
excited to wear a sari, and their sari is
Stunning.
so beautiful. So I'm really excited about Baby John, and there are a couple of projects जिसपे इस साल I was working on, and they all are releasing next year. So I can't wait to share like more details as it comes.
थैंक यू
Thank you, thank you.
सारी सिंपल कनेक्शन.
I'll tell you, मैं इतनी साड़ी से कनेक्टेड नहीं थी पहले, बट पिछले एक साल में मैंने इतनी साड़ीज़ की कलेक्शन कर ली है that I feel like साड़ी is going to become like my, you know how you have those comfort clothes?
Yes.
I think साड़ी is going to become that for me. For sure. Thank you so much, guys.